The first part of the lesson was spent working toward our leadership series, which is an opportunity to build leadership and character traits within the students. The students participated in the paper bag test. The students also participated in the privilege walk. These two activities opened students' eyes to segregation and racism and allowed them to reflect on these experiences and to identify the differences amongst their class. The next part of the lesson was dealing with combining like terms within algebraic expressions. To help students understand this concept, a small experiment was completed in which oil and water were mixed together. The students realized that these two forms could not be combined due to their differences in densities.
Working on combining like terms. So, when we're talking about combining like terms, when you hear the word something that's alike, what do we think of when we think of something that is alike? Demaya?
It means like the same thing. They have the same thing.
They're the same thing. All right, what else do we think about?
Same features.
Same features.
They share characteristics.
They share characteristics.
Something similar that is something common.
Alright, so they share something in common. Alright, so those all those things that you all just said are exactly what like terms is all going to be about, meaning that we have to combine things that are similar. So, and I can only compare things that are what?
Alike.
Alike. I can only compare things that are the same, that are in the same form. How many apples did I have? Demaya?
6.
6 apples. So I could go ahead and use a variable of, what variable do you want to use for apples?
A.
A. So we're going to use A for apples. Alright, how many oranges do I have? How many oranges do I have? Canadian. 7 oranges. So I'm going to use
7.
an O. And how many bananas do I have from you? 8.
8.
So 8 bananas. So basically what we just did is we just sorted these items because we want to only compare things that were what? Alike. Because we can only combine things that are the same. Again, number 1, I want you to hold up your whiteboard to show me your answers for number 1. Number 1. Eyeball.
Snap.
That means there should be no talking. All eyes on me. I will be passing out cards with they might have a constant on it. It might have a term on it. They're going to be different terms. What it is that you're going to be doing, I'm also going to be passing out some blank ones. You're going to be creating some terms yourself. Just whatever terms you can think of, you're going to be creating some. Then we're going to be doing an activity where we're going to be actually combining our terms. Kind of similar to I declare war, but we're not going against someone else. We're just going to have our cards face down on the desk. We're going to all flip over our terms, our cards at the same time.
Look like this.
What you get?